In the harsh desert landscape near Welton, Arizona, precision, discipline, and coordination come together in one of the United States Marine Corps' most demanding training environments. This is low-altitude air defense operations, where every second matters, and every decision can mean the difference between mission success and failure. U.S. Marines assigned to Marine Aviation Weapons and Tactics Squadron 1, known as MAWTS-1, are conducting live defense exercises as part of the prestigious Weapons and Tactics Instructor Course, or WTI. This isn't just training, it's preparation for real-world combat scenarios. Over the course of 7 intense weeks, Marines are pushed to their limits, physically, mentally, and tactically. The WTI course is designed to produce elite-level instructors capable of leading aviation units with unmatched expertise and precision. On October 11, 2022, at Site 50 training area, these Marines simulate a critical battlefield scenario, protecting a moving vehicle convoy from low-altitude aerial threats. In modern warfare, danger doesn't always come from the ground. Enemy aircraft, drones, and fast-moving aerial systems can strike with little warning, flying low to avoid radar detection. That's where low-altitude air defense comes in. Marines operate advanced weapon systems designed to detect, track, and neutralize aerial threats in seconds. Working as a coordinated unit, they establish a defensive shield around the convoy, ensuring safe passage through hostile territory. Every Marine has a role, from radar operators to weapons specialists to command and control units coordinating the battlefield picture in real time. Communication is constant. Situational awareness is everything. As the convoy moves across the desert terrain, the defense teams remain alert, scanning the skies, tracking targets, and preparing to engage at a moment's notice. This training is not theoretical. It's built on real combat lessons learned from decades of warfare. WTI ensures that Marine aviation units are not only ready, but dominant. MAWTS-1 plays a critical role in this mission. By standardizing advanced tactics and certifying instructors, they ensure that every Marine unit operates with the highest level of effectiveness and readiness. Because in combat, there are no second chances. The ability to detect and destroy aerial threats at low altitude is a force multiplier, protecting troops, securing assets, and maintaining control of the battlefield. This is the edge that defines the United States Marine Corps. Highly trained, highly disciplined, always ready. From the skies above to the ground below, Marines stand prepared to defend, adapt, and overcome any threat. This is more than training. This is warfighting excellence. In the vast desert training grounds near Yuma, Arizona, a new generation of Marine Corps warfare is being tested. This is not ordinary training. This is the future of battlefield dominance. U.S. Marines from Marine Aviation Weapons and Tactics Squadron 1, alongside forces from the 3rd Littoral Anti-Air Battalion, part of the 3rd Marine Littoral Regiment, are operating together in a high-intensity, large-scale exercise known as the Marine Littoral Regiment Training Exercise, or MLR-TE. Conducted under the command of the 3rd Marine Division, this exercise represents a critical shift in how the Marine Corps prepares for modern conflict. The battlefield is evolving. Today's threats are faster, more unpredictable, and more technologically advanced than ever before. Enemy aircraft, drones, and precision-guided systems can strike at low altitude with devastating speed. To counter this, Marines are developing a new kind of defense: agile, mobile, and deadly accurate. At the heart of this exercise is one mission: to employ ground-based air defense teams capable of delivering close-in, low-altitude, surface-to-air fires. These units are the shield that protects Marine Forces operation.